So we want to calculate the following. When the denominators are the same, this is very easy. We just have 2/9 add 5/9, just add the numerators, and that gives me 7/9. When we have different denominators, we need to make them the same. Now, 5 goes into 10, so we could make both of these into fractions over 10, and the second fraction, of course, hasn't changed. The first one we need to make into an equivalent fraction with denominator 10. So 5 gets multiplied by 2 to give us 10. We need to multiply the 3 by 2 as well. So that becomes 6 over 10. And now we have the same denominator, so we just do 6 plus 3, and we get 9/10. With 3 over 5 plus 3 over 7, we want the same denominator. And a good common denominator here is 35, which is just 5 times 7. It's best to get the lowest common multiple. And in this case, that is the lowest common multiple. But that isn't always necessary because you can cancel afterwards. Now, 5 to get 35 is multiplied by 7, so we need to multiply the 3. And that's not 31, it's 21. 7 gets multiplied by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So that gives me 36 over 35, which you could probably leave there. But if you want to make that into a mixed number, that's 1 and 1/35. Now, 6 over 7 plus 3 over 8. Once again, just multiplying the two together gives us the best common denominator, which is 56. So 7's been multiplied by 8, do the same to the 6, so that's 48. And 8's been multiplied by 7, do the same to the top, gives us 21. And so altogether that is 69 over 56, which you could probably leave there, but we can make it into a mixed number. 56 goes into 69 once, and the remainder would be 69 take away 56, which is 13. So it's 1 and 13/56.